I swear, I see this guy all over the place. I think it's the same guy, because, you know, it's around Dwight and stuff, but yeah. This guy's just flying over the, oh, hey, Mr. Truck. Sorry. So yeah, it's cool. I was going somewhere with that, but, now I can't remember what I was going to say. Yeah. This car has a mattress on top of it. It's kind of funny looking. It's only going 50 miles an hour, so I'm gonna pass him. In a second. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Are you serious? I hate you. He's videotaping me with hiccups.
Ah.
It doesn't help. Why? What?
Hold your breath.
I just tried that. No.
Stand on your head and drink a glass of water.
Yeah.
While holding your breath.
What?
You know what I heard? I heard this on our Christian radio station, that if you take a glass of water and put a paper towel over it and then drink the water through the paper towel.
I've heard that too.
Have you done it?
No.
You gotta balance the egg and your head.
Yeah.
You leave it there?
It has to be. It's not. I.
Thought you had it all in the
Oh,
bag
my.
and you brought home.
Yeah.
Oh,
Well, see, some stuff I could. The other fruit trays I could fit in here. I couldn't fit them all, so I brought those back. But I thought I'd put the cream cheese in there too, because I needed to make something else here, and I don't know where I left, because I didn't put it in the refrigerator.
Take it over there tomorrow.
No, they've got to be chilled overnight and stuff.
Make me a copy.
Give me the key. I'm gonna run over to, pick up one of them cheap styrofoam coolers. Claire, why don't you come here and grab some of this tea and bring it over here.
Stop it.
Sweet, sweet. Look at this. Look at my
Oh.
animals. Look at my animals. Yeah. This is classic.
Is that how you eat it without a spoon?
It's a crush cup. You don't need it.
You're supposed to do it that way? That's cool. I almost asked you if you were done hiccuping yet.
Oh no. This will go on for a while. Yay.
Summer's here.
I'm getting full bars from this one wireless provider, but I don't. Larry, on the stool up in your room that your Xbox is on, or somewhere on there, there's a little piece of paper with a bunch of numbers written on it. Can you go get that for me, please?
This is classic. I just watch it. I don't even have to look at you.
Mary?
This really isn't that entertaining.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is. My little baby.
We all get the hiccups. Now that was the classic one.
What's Roxio? Express labeler. I'm an express labeler. Toshiba.
What's this?
Toshiba. My Toshiba.
And then it's just cold.
Music. Sample music, yes. That's sample music.
What is it, Beethoven's Fifth?
No, it's kalimba. Made with the flaxen hair and sleep away.
How long is the video tape, Mike?
4 minutes.
That's crazy. I think they're gone now.
Yeah, but they come back.
Claude Debussy is the
Debussy?
composer.
You mean WC?
No? Oh, that's how you said it.
Yep.